Year's Eve countdown to 2021, you guys. Welcome to Tiffany's, your place to be visually inspired to create a beautiful space. So today I am actually going to invite you into my home to watch me clean and decorate for my New Year's Eve 2021 countdown party. Having a few friends and family members over, nothing too spectacular. Just going to relax and enjoy ourselves with our children. Family friendly event. And yeah, I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. Right now, I have a lot going on in here, okay? There's stuff everywhere, all right? So yeah, let me try to give you a little bit of the lay of the land right now because it's looking a little bit of a hot mess. And yes, I have a lot to do, okay? And so yes, anyways, as a matter of fact, I am actually wearing a wavy shirt, and my friend's husband has put together this clothing line, and I want to actually give a shout out to them, and I will link their Facebook page in the description box below, so just click on the show more to see that. So yeah, that's kind of impromptu. I wasn't planning on doing that, but I'm looking at my shirt, so there you go. So if you like this, go ahead and check it out. Anyways, let's get back over here to this house, y'all. And we have balloons here and machines, and I have, oh my goodness, let's see. We have helium tanks and all sorts of stuff. So anyway. Okay, you guys, so as you saw, I popped the number one. So look at this. I had to go to Walmart and it doesn't match exactly. But you know what? This is the difference between 2020 and 2021. So we're going to emphasize the one this year. So the number one gets to stand out. Why? Because it's the number one. Number one, baby, yes. So it's larger, and we're gonna work with it. But when I was there, I saw these balloon tassels, and I thought these were super cute. So I'm going to see what I can do with this. So let's go. I think I'm gonna have to move the Happy New Year up. size, different color.
Oh, it's supposed to be like that?
No, that's when I came from Walmart.
Where did you get those
Those
from?
came from Amazon. But here's the thing, it's 2021, that's the difference. It's number one, that's the difference in the year. So that's why I was like, okay, well, whatever, it's gonna work. So my numbers are intentionally crooked. Don't ask me why, but that's what I wanted. But I think I need to make that one a little more crooked, but I'm kind of scared to touch it. I'm afraid to touch it only because I have it's being held up by tape and I don't want to disturb the piece, so to speak. So that number one, my husband's like, oh, that looks odd. But yeah, it does look a little odd. But like I told you guys before, it's all about the number one, so it gets to stand out by itself. Plus that'll be good for some tall people to stand right there too and not hit their head or whatever. So it'll all work out, you know. I think it's fine for now. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else with that. Let me get to doing the rest of the house. Get a quick little video. Numbers are way crooked, but it's okay because that's the way I wanted it, really. My balloons popped up there. Got Chipotle happening. Enjoyed this video here, and actually these little decorative tips you can utilize for any occasion, really. So yeah, birthday parties and anniversaries, what have you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give me a thumbs up and a comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy 2021. Talk to you guys later. God bless.